Hello and welcome to Claremont County Airport. Here we are in Sporty's Pilot Shop store. We'd like to talk about a few new products that we consider a great option for anyone who uses an electronic device. Those are the flight gear charging cables. We like these cables for many different reasons. We'll start off with the first one. They are nylon braided. So these cables are resistant to kinks or those common knots we find in flight bags that take forever to untangle. This keeps your flight bag or your desk from looking like a rat's nest and really helps you to stay organized while using them. The next feature we like about these cables are that they offer data sync. So not only will it charge a device, but let's say you have two devices that need to talk to each other. Think of your desktop or a laptop and a tablet or a phone. This will allow those two devices to talk to each other and transfer data if you would like. One of the charging specs we built into this cable was its ability to offer 3 amps max speed. Now, when phones and tablets first came out almost 20 years ago, the industry standard was about 1 amp. It's since progressed. About 3 or 4 years ago, you started seeing 2 amps as an ability. There's still a lot of 2.4s, but with today's technology, 3 amps allows you a fast charging speed, but it also keeps your devices from overheating or the cable itself overheating. So we want to make sure we had the best amperage offering available for these cables. The next feature we like about these cables, and I think one of the most unique because it is rare, is the wattage output screen. Each of these cables start with a USB-A port to plug into your backup battery, your wall charger, or even your panel power in your aircraft. And then the device end will have that display screen that will provide real-time wattage offering to your device. Think of it as more wattage, more energy flowing to your devices. So a higher number there is better. A unique feature that we found from our almost year of testing these cables before we wanted to bring them onto the market is it's great to show and confirm your device is plugged in and receiving juice, but then also when it stops offering a number and drops down to a 0.0 wattage, that's a quick confirmation your device is fully charged. So you can keep it plugged in and keep a trickle charge going to your device, or you can unplug it and know your iPhone, your iPad device XYZ is at 100% charge. The flight gear cables come in 2 configurations. The first one is USB-A to Lightning. That's popular with a lot of iPhones. Some of the older iPads feature that Lightning port, and that cable is able to offer up to 12 watts charging speed. The USB-A to USB-C cable is able to offer up to 66 watts of charging speed. And this cable is more designed for, think of the iPad Pro models. The new iPad Mini 6 features the USB-C port, and then also some aviation-centric devices, such as the Stratus or the Sentry family of ADS-B receivers, as well as the PJ2 Plus COM. Each of the flight gear cables retails for $19.95. They are exclusively sold here at Sporty's, and we're confident these are going to be a great cable to charge your devices when you're flying around an aircraft, at home, or at the office. We thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.